finally nice enough outside that we can start pressure washing all of the pieces for Tike Town. Let's start with the pirate ship. I've got my battery powered pressure washer. I filled up a bunch of buckets of water and a bunch of people recommended this, so I'm going to go ahead and dump some of this into my bucket before we start pressure washing. We're finally done-ish. I probably should bring a brush out, scrub it a bit better, and the inside of it definitely needs cleaned, but I need to bring out like a step ladder or something so I can go from the top down. But it came very clean. I'm very surprised at how good it looks. It's obviously hard to tell in this lighting. It looks so good, especially for being over 30 years old. It's in great condition. And for everyone who's going to ask, I used 4 5-gallon buckets for this, and I used one full charge, one full battery. We're gonna call it quits on pressure washing for the night, but stay tuned because we have a lot more pressure washing to do soon.